Imagine we are kicking back in our favorite coffee shop, sipping on our respective brews, and I've just been assigned a Python list tutorial overseas. Let's dive into the world of lists together. You know how important lists are in Python? They're like the Swiss Army knife of data structures. They help you manage groups of elements, be it strings, numbers, or other lists, and with a Python list, you are not only getting versatility, you are also getting efficiency, which is always a win in the tech world. Let's start with creating a list. It's as simple as putting different elements in square brackets, separated by commas. Remember, elements in lists can be of various data types, not just integers or strings. Python my_mixed_list is equal to pretty straightforward, right? Each item in the list can be accessed using its index, starting from 2000. This means the first item is apple, the second one is the floating number 3.14, and so on. Now, you must be thinking, what if I need to add or remove some items from the list? Well, Python makes it a breeze to manipulate lists on the fly. To add elements, Python provides methods such as append to add an item to the end of the list or insert to add an item at a specific index. Here's a quick demonstration. Python my_mixed_list.append print my_mixed_list.insert print to take out the first occurrence of an item, or pop to remove a specific indexed item while also returning it. There's also del if you want to remove by index or slice, which doesn't return anything. Switching gears, suppose you are looking for an element in a list. Python doesn't need a magnifying glass for this one. With the in keyword or list comprehension, you can easily find if an item exists in the list or create a new list from a list based on some criteria. Python fruit_in_list is equal to banana in my_mixed_list print only_fruits is equal to print. That's quite a lot of information to take in, but remember, understanding the lists in Python isn't just about memorizing facts. As an IT freshener, mastering these skills can enhance how you build applications with Python, especially for projects that demand dynamic data manipulation. So why not continue to explore these operations and master them like we are doing now in our cozy corner of the world? After all, as the famous quote from the programming world says, practice makes perfect. And remember to never stop learning. So go explore, practice, and most importantly, enjoy the coding journey. And hey, before this little tutorial ends, why not dive deeper into Python? Visit Neeraj at qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. Let's tackle more Python conundrums together. Cheers to a coding journey.